Save big on tires and wheels with discount tire coupons and promo codes. Are you ready to upgrade your ride while saving big on premium tires and wheels? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to grab the best discount tire coupons, promo codes, and exclusive discounts to help you get top quality products at unbeatable prices. Step 1. Visit promosaver.net. Head over to promosaver.net or simply click the link in the video description or comments below. It's your ultimate destination for massive savings on discount tire products. Step 2. Choose the perfect discount code. Browse through a wide range of promo codes and pick the one that matches your needs. Whether you're looking for durable tires, sleek wheels, or seasonal deals, there's a code waiting just for you. Step 3. Apply your code at checkout and enjoy incredible savings. Once you've selected your coupon, use it during checkout and watch your total drop. Saving money on car essentials has never been this easy. Imagine cruising the roads with brand new, high-quality tires that keep you safe and stylish, all without breaking the bank. With Discount Tire's incredible deals, you can enjoy reliable performance and unbeatable prices every time. So why wait? Take control of your savings today. Click the link, grab your promo code, and treat your car to the best it deserves, while keeping more cash in your pocket. Start saving now with Discount Tire promo codes and drive into a world of smarter shopping.